Hi, I'm Chip Gardner.
And I'm Herbert Dubuisson. We're with Ladder and Bloom.
Welcome to 85277 Highway 25 in Franklinton. This custom-built home sits on a 2.43 acre lot. The Magnolia tree-lined drive welcomes you to the residence, which is located at the rear of the property to maximize the picturesque views from both the front porch and back patio. Envision hosting gatherings in the secluded outdoor living space, featuring a pool and outdoor cooking, where your guests can enjoy the peaceful setting. The house has numerous high-end features, such as the woodwork for the door casings and window moldings, and sprayed fiberglass insulation. Perfect for entertaining and family gatherings, the chef's kitchen, which sits in the center of the home, features a professional-grade stainless steel 6-burner range with a griddle, double ovens, ice maker, and dishwasher. Check out the stately fireplace in the main living area. The primary bathtub features a generously sized bathtub. There is also a detached workshop that provides a practical addition to the property. Thank you for viewing this property with us today.
If you'd like to schedule a private showing or you'd like more information, just give us a call.